Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Les Labs Cortisol Health, one of Amazon's best-selling stress and sleep supplements with over 8,000 reviews. With bold claims about balancing cortisol and improving sleep, does it actually work or is it just a placebo? Let's break down the science and real results. So Les Labs Cortisol Health is a natural supplement containing phosphatidylserine to control cortisol response, ashwagandha for stress reduction and mood, magnesium for calming effects, magnolia bark extract for reduced stress and cortisol levels, and rhodiola root extract for adaptogenic purposes. It's designed to promote balanced cortisol response to reduce stress and support restful sleep, taking one capsule before bed or two during high stress periods. Here's what real users report. Many experienced significant improvements. One husband who constantly woke at 3 a.m. exhausted now wakes at a normal time and feels much better after using this supplement. Multiple users report falling asleep quickly and staying asleep all night, describing it as a game changer. One long term user stated they cannot go without this product after using it nightly for almost 3 years, noticing a huge difference in anxiety levels when they run out. Another user reported night sweats at 4 a.m. wake up stopped just after 2 nights. Analysis of customer reviews showed mixed experiences. Some expressed significant improvement in sleep quality and mood, while others mentioned no noticeable changes. The positive reviews highlight improved sleep and reduced anxiety, while negative reviews describe ongoing issues despite taking the supplement. One user struggled with sleep for years and found amazing results when combining this with prescription sleep aids. However, others reported minimal effects or that results took several weeks to appear, as adaptogens like ashwagandha typically takes 4 to 6 weeks for full effects. The ingredients have legitimate research backing. Phosphatidylserine has been studied for controlling cortisol response to stress. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen for reducing stress and improving mood. Magnesium is essential for stress response, and magnolia bark compounds can help reduce stress and cortisol levels. This isn't pseudoscience. These are established stress support ingredients, commonly recommended by integrative medicine practitioners. Some important considerations. First, this is not a drug. It won't knock you out like a sleep medication. It supports your body's natural stress response over time. Second, some users report uncomfortable side effects like joint pain and increased blood pressure, though these appear rare. Third, individual results vary significantly based on body chemistry and stress levels. The supplement works best as part of a comprehensive stress management approach, not as a standalone solution. Sleep hygiene, exercise therapy, and lifestyle changes should complement supplementation. The final verdict: Les Labs Cortisol Health is worth trying if you're struggling with stress related sleep issues. The ingredients are scientifically supported, user reviews are largely positive, and the company offers a money back guarantee. For around $32, it's reasonably priced for quality stress support. Just manage expectations. Give it 4 to 6 weeks. Use it as part of overall stress management and consult your doctor if you're on medications. It's a support tool, not a replacement for addressing root causes of chronic stress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.